In this video, I will show you how to add and remove indicators within TradingView. Now, this is actually very easy and I will show you it step by step. So, first of all, you need to go to your chart, and once you're in your chart, go to the top bar of your screen until you see indicators right here. Tap on indicators, and what you also can do instead of tapping on indicators is use the / icon on your keyboard. This way you directly go to the indicators menu. Now, what you can do is you can either go to your favorite indicators, create an indicator, or just go to the community indicators and select the top indicators that there are right now. So you can just tap on an indicator or search for it. For example, UT bot alerts. And just by tapping on the name, you will install the indicator. Alright, as you can see, now the indicator is installed. And you might ask yourself, how can I remove this indicator? Now, this is actually very easy as well. Now, what you need to do is go to the top right there, and under BTC, you see this little UT bot alerts. Now, sometimes this is hidden, so you need to open this drop down menu. You just need to tap on this, and right here you need to hover your mouse over this indicator, and then you see all these little icons. And what you need to do is you need to tap on this trash icon right there. What you also can do to restore this is just press Command or Control Z, and then you are done. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know. And by the way, if you want to get started with TradingView Premium, I have a $15 discount using the link in my description down below. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.